This will be the elevator at Von Maur at South Hills Village, Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. This used to be Sears. We're going to KONE. I believe this is a MonoSpace 300. Door close does not work. Actually, here, while we're down here, let's get a cab view. Very basic KONE. Nothing too special. Just a basic like tin cab, style cab. 2,500 pound capacity. That's cool how it acts like a lantern. We'll end up here.